I need some sheets to catch the trimming.
Pull this apart. This is the 5x4.
Oh, so you just need to straighten that middle one.
There's a line somewhere that makes it thicker.
You get three out of that.
No, I don't want 3 though. But there's a joint somewhere. It's thicker. Is it over there?
Actually, that middle.
Oh, it's here. There's a strip here what's thick. That's what you slice it down. Then it's a double, then it'll never rip. Pull it tight, yeah. Stick to the line and we're good. Do it. Shall we put some weight on that and pull this side? That bin behind you.
Yeah, bin.
I'll pull it and we'll fly through that. Stick to this line, it's double thick. Don't come offline, Jeff.
Well,
that's how easy it is.
That.
There's one. There's the other. Do you know what? They're massive.
Wait, you can go 3 out of that. Easy.
That'd be right.